Guys, showing you this take apart dump truck toy for the STEM construction vehicle toy for boys with tools, ideal for a 3 to 5 years old toddlers. And let's see, comes in a really nice box. This is the carry box that comes with it, and the handy tools. So this help the kids to understand how to use these tools, or how to work with their hands and things. So there are like some tools that comes, so the screwdriver and the power drill, and then you can use this to detach and do all these things. So there are big screws here that you can use, these screwdrivers and the supplied tools. So here, you can use these small tools to get it set, and then the kids can be used to, and they can do these things. So basically these are the electric this you know the trims as well, or the tools you can use the battery with. And then you can also do this, like the kids are good to play with, they have fun, and see like the activity, they can get control over it. So basically it's a very nice and handy things for them to play and then see. So it's fun, engaging, making it all these different things and playing with the different sides. That's really nice for the kids, for their development, and trying these new things, and making this new stuff. So hope this thing is useful, and yeah, you can get used to these things and the toys.